Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply formula to entire column in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our record. Now you see name, mark 1, mark 2. So we are going to total it, and then we are going to apply this formula on entire column in Microsoft Excel. So you don't need to write or add formula again and again. Now select cell, sum, bracket, mark 1 plus mark 2, bracket close, press enter. Now you see total value of 54, and then you see drag and drop. We are going to like this. Now you see duplicate. So we added formula on this column, and then we drag. So this formula apply on entire column in Microsoft Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.